Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're diving into a kitchen faucet showdown. Krush vs. Pfister. These two brands have been making waves in the kitchen appliance market, offering a variety of stylish and functional options. Let's see which one comes out on top. Krush Kitchen Faucet. First up, we have the Krush Kitchen Faucet. Known for its sleek designs and innovative features, Krush offers a range of options to suit different kitchen styles. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Design. Krush faucets are typically characterized by their modern and minimalist aesthetics. They often feature clean lines and a brushed finish. Functionality. Many Krush faucets come with advanced features like pull-down or pull-out spouts, which provide flexibility and convenience. Some models also offer touch-activated technology for hands-free operation. Durability. Krush faucets are generally constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and resistance to everyday wear and tear. Pfister Kitchen Faucet. Next, we have the Pfister Kitchen Faucet. Pfister is an thermopolar brand known for its quality and reliability. Let's explore some of its standard features. Design. Pfister faucets offer a wider range of styles, from traditional to contemporary. The of 10 feature intricate details and decorative finishes. Functionality. Pfister faucets typically provide essential features like a high arc spout and a swivel base for easy maneuverability. Some models may also include additional features like a soap dispenser or a pot filler. Durability. Similar to Krush, Pfister faucets are built to last, using durable materials and construction techniques. Comparison factors. Now, let's compare Krush and Pfister based on several key factors. Design. Which brand offers the design that best complements your kitchen style? Functionality. Do you prioritize features like a pull-down spout, touch activation, or a pot filler? Durability. How important is it to you that your faucet is built to last? Price. Consider your budget and compare the price points of similar models from both brands. Ultimately, the best kitchen faucet for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Both Krush and Pfister offer high-quality products with unique features. By carefully considering factors like design, functionality, durability, and price, you can choose the faucet that best suits your kitchen and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with Krush or Pfister faucets, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and tips.